Guys, let's just run through some of the benefits of this yogurt. Remember, this yogurt contains the bacteria called Lactobacillus reuteri, and it is amazing for your gut. The doctor explained that we as human beings, 96% of us no longer carry this bacteria, and that's why we take so long to heal, and recovery is so long and so painful. So since I've been taking this in the last 5 days, which is Grand Rising, my beautiful people, I've got something special for you today. Are you ready to level up your gut health? Well, I've got a really good video for you today. I'm going to show you how to make your very own probiotic rich yogurt right in the comfort of your kitchen. But listen to me now, this is not just a normal plain yogurt, This yogurt is powerful. It's full of good, friendly gut bacteria that's going to have your digestion thriving, your immune system strong, and your overall health glowing. So, I've been on a course of antibiotics, and if you've been on antibiotics and feeling bloated or just want to take care of your health and your body, this video is for you. And the best part about this video is that you're going to control what you put in, so there's no hidden nasties, just pure wholesome goodness. Let me break down step by step how you can make this creamy, delicious, gut-friendly yogurt that you and your entire family is going to love. So by the end of this video, you're going to do this confidently, and you're going to whip this out anytime you want. All right? But before you do that, do me one favor. Please like this video, share it with somebody who is suffering from, whatever I'm just saying, or if they want to just, improve their body. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're new, please turn on the notification bell, because when you do, then you won't miss another video from myself. And this video is going to help you glow up your life. All right? So that's been said, let me show you what ingredients you're going to need. Let us get started. Come with me. Let me show you some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. I've got this Bio 300 degree microbiotics, and it's Pro 100 Ultra, which has 100 billion bacteria, 8 strains of live bacteria, and it's a food supplement which is going to help your gut health. All right, this is number one. You need this, okay? Then we're going to go for biotic balance, which is alanine, and this is going to help your digestive health. It has high fiber, and it's vegan, no sugar. It's made with chicory powder, and it helps with your bowel function. This is a must. All right, and now I've got to show you, I made my own half and half with vegan milk. All right, so I just use my oat milk that I used in my oat machine. I made my very oat milk, and this is going to be perfect for my yogurt. So I made my half and half, which is half oat milk, half double cream, and this is going to be the base of my yogurt. All right, and then I'll be sweetening it with some raw English spring honey. All right, let's get started. So you're going to take one of the tablets, and you're going to actually open it up and put it in your bowl. All right, Lactobacillus reuteri is in this capsule, so that's one of the strains of the good bacteria. Then you're going to get your alanine, and you're going to use a tablespoon of alanine. All right, and that's for your friendly gut bacteria. So you're going to be using a tablespoon. Let me get a tablespoon. So you're going to get 1 tablespoon of alanine, which is about this. You're going to add it to your container, and then you're going to add just a little bit of your gonna mix it up first. Mix it up. All right, and after that's done, you're going to take some of your half and half, and you're going to actually just pour it onto it just to dissolve the mixture. Okay, just to get it all creamy and ready for mixing. All right, nice. Right? And when that's done, you're gonna pour your half and half in your yogurt. I'm just gonna mix gently. Mix gently. I'm doing a liter because I've got 7 jars that I need to fill up. Okay. This yogurt recipe was created by Dr. William Davis, MD. I'm just gonna mix this nicely and get everything all incorporated. And then this is gonna be the base of your yogurt, all right? And then I'm gonna show you what next. All right. Now I've got my yogurt maker and I've got 7 jars in here that I'm going to be filling up, all right? So I'm just gonna take the lids off. Make sure your jars are sterilized before, that there's nothing that's gonna make the yogurt go funky, all right? Make sure you wash it and sterilize it correctly, okay? So now our jars are open. I'm gonna fill the jars up with the yogurt and then we're gonna start, you know, the process. Oh, so excited. Now we're gonna start to fill our jars, all right? Bring it closer because I don't want any spillage. Okay, that's 1. Just like this. 2. At this point, guys, I was hurrying up because the bacteria in the air and the microbes in the air, I didn't want them to get into the yogurt. So I have to be hurrying up to get them in the yogurt and seal them as quickly as I could. Guys, I think I need 1 shot. Oh no. Right. Okay. So that's all our jars filled. Now we've got all our jars filled with our yogurt. I need to put water into the yogurt maker and bring it up to a little level. This is not a deep yogurt maker, but this will work. All right, so I'm just gonna add some water in. I'm not gonna add it too much that it, you know, starts spilling out. I just wanna make sure it covers the base of the container enough so the yogurts can cook. All right, I think I need a little bit more. And you can add a little bit of warm water, guys, to kickstart the process if that's what you want. Right, that's around it, I think. Yep. And now I'm gonna put the lid on. And I am going to turn it on, put on a timer for how long I want it, and leave it. I think this machine is a set temperature, so I don't have to worry about adjusting the temperature. And I got this recipe from a good doctor on YouTube, which he is the doctor of gut health. So if you ever need any advice, I will leave his link in my description box below so you guys can go and check out his page. He is amazing. He is my personal teacher. All right, guys, the maximum it can go is 14 hours. So I just adjusted it. You have to turn on the machine, and when it starts flashing, you have to set the time. So the maximum it goes up to is 14 hours. So after the 14 hours is done, then I can add this to it to make it a total of 36 hours. All right. So now, guys, you can see it's warming up. There's steam inside the yogurt maker. And if you look closely, you can see fine little bubbles in the yogurt container itself. So that gives me the idea that it's getting, you know, heat. So yeah, when this is finished and the whole process of the yogurt is done, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna store these after they're cooled down into the refrigerator. I'm gonna leave them for around 3 days or so and let it go and cure a bit more, and then I'm gonna add taste to it. So around Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll come back and I'll add a taste to it, like my honey and my Celtic sea salt. All right, and this is gonna be your yogurt for the whole entire family. Ain't that a treat? Guys, let's just run through some of the benefits of this yogurt. Remember, this yogurt contains the bacteria called Lactobacillus reuteri, and it is amazing for your gut. The doctor explained that we as human beings, 96% of us no longer carry this bacteria, and that's why we take so long to heal, and recovery is so long and so painful. So since I've been taking this in the last 5 days, which is a supplement, I have felt better within myself. My muscles are not hurting as much as they used to. To be honest, I'm not aching anymore. My muscles not hurting at all. My skin feel clearer and cleaner. And you know what? I've been having lots of vivid, dreams that when I wake up, I remember them. Them feel so real. And I just feel like I'm getting back to how I used to be, full sync. And that's it, guys. I wanted to just share this amazing recipe with you. I found this doctor years ago, and he's helped me out so much. Prebiotic, probiotic, gut health, immune system, any issues you've got. I've linked him in the description box below, so you can click on him and see what he has to offer. But this video was just to help you guys to, recover fast and to help your gut. Your gut is the first brain you've got. So you got to take care of it. You've got two brains, your gut and this one, all right? So first you feel it in your gut feelings. When they say, oh, my gut feelings tells me, that's what you need to look after, all right? So the yogurt I just made will help you. It's a probiotic yogurt, and it's going to help you after you had a course of illness to replace all the good friendly bacteria after you had your antibiotic course, all right? I hope you found this informative, and I hope you'll come back for more. Carry your mom and dad and friends and family over to help support me. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a